It's weak for almost 2 years this week, 4.5%. Can we say the worst is over?
I'm sure there are many who would love to say the worst is over. I suspect probably not, however. 4-ish% in a week is pretty good performance, but as you said, gold has reflected what's been happening in other markets as well. Big moves in Treasury yields, emerging market equities. In the context of what's happened over the last 2 years, though, I really don't think anyone can step in and say, yep, this is definitively the bottom here. It's a reflection of the fact that a lot of markets were a bit oversold before Bernanke soothed the waters. But April was a chastening experience for a lot of people who bought that dip down to 1300-ish and thought they'd seen the bottom, and then promptly saw the market collapse another $100, $150 on them.
So is the next level on the downside, are we looking at 1200? And I suppose if we do get through that, the big one, 1000 isn't too far away.
Well, the technical guys would point to an area around about 1150, 1160 as being a key point for the market on the charts. Round numbers sometimes mean a lot and sometimes don't mean so much. I think the next key point on the downside is the previous low in this cycle, about 1180.
That's a lot of talk about the downside and the bearish side of gold, but what levels on the upside should we be looking at if we break through them that will give gold something of a breather?
Well, physical demand is very strong right now, and if you get a pause in investor sales, then we could see gold being taken back up to the sort of 13, 20, 22 kind of area on that physical buying, I think, but that's going to be pretty stiff resistance at that point.